Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today is an awesome day. It's bike delivery day. Over the past several months, you've seen a Skunkworks 128 monster go together for Gerald. You've probably also seen several videos during chats, Gerald popping in, asking questions, things like that. We've referred to him enough times during this build process. Today, Gerald gets to pick up his motorcycle and go for the first ride. We're also going to sit down and interview Gerald and let you guys hear firsthand, unscripted and unedited, what Gerald thought about his new Skunkworks 128. So stick around with us for a few minutes and let's celebrate this day with Gerald. So, what do you think?
Oh, I love it, man.
Yeah?
Well over my expectations. I had no idea it was going to ride and sound like that. I thought I had an idea, but it's different being here and being on it. Yeah. I mean,
well, we had a little over 100,000 people that saw. They didn't get to see the background stuff, our conversations. Yeah. They got to see the parts that went in it. We ain't gonna kiss and tell about all the magic that happened in there. But I remember there was one distinctive thing that you said when we sat down the first time. And you said, I wanna do it once and I wanna do it right. So what I'd like to hear is your take on the process, our conversation, the build, the process, what it took to get you to where you're at. What are your thoughts on a fully custom designed engine for you?
I love the process because the first process you came and asked me, what did I want? How did I ride? No other shop asked me about that. They was pushing the product. You know what I mean? You asked me, how do I ride? Where do I ride? And we made it happen. You know, I've been saving up for years for this. You know, it's all my little savings, but it's so worth it. You know, I mean.
Well, you know, it's one of the things I love about this business. I mean, I love what I do. I love motorcycles, and I love seeing smiles like yours. I can see the thing in teeth when you get
Oh, yeah. I can't stop smiling now, man. I can't.
But when, you know, folks like you, I mean, the way I look at it, money is hard to make these days. I work hard for mine. I know you do too. And I think I kind of put myself in a place almost as a consultant or caretaker to some degree of all that work that you put in to save. And it does my heart good when somebody, you know, trusts us with what they worked hard for, and to be able to hand it back and see somebody happy.
Yeah, I got nothing but great things to say about the shop and the guys and the way you guys handle your business. I appreciate it, man. I really do. I mean, to get it back tenfold like that, I mean, my expectations is nothing to all the work you guys have put into it. And like I said, the way it rides and sounds is still mind blowing to me. You know what I mean? So I feel so great about it. I mean, you know, it's worth it to me. Yeah. You know, so I'll be definitely trying to get all my friends out here. Well, once they hear the bike, I ain't worried about that. Once they see the back night, hear it.
Well, I did hear it when you pulled out a little bit. I heard a little bit of a feather, a little bit of what, and then oh, wait a minute. And then I heard it, what, again, and then I heard, bah!
Yeah.
Okay, he found it.
Yeah.
He found it.
You know, so I'm so appreciative, Kevin. I mean, really thank you for taking the time to walk me through the process, being a man of your word, and just making it happen for me. Hey, I'm doing this. We're gonna do this. This is gonna happen. You know, so I really appreciate that. You know, even taking the time to do that, because most shops don't really do that. We're just gonna do it like this. He was like, nope, this needs to happen. I'm not telling you to do it, but you know, if I was building it like you want, I would do this, and that, and that made a big difference to me. I mean, you took the time to do that, so I really appreciate that.
Well, I appreciate you. Me and the guys here, man, you help us feed our family, and we appreciate that. It means the world to us.
Man, thank you guys, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you gotta go ride now.
I'm finna go ride. I got another bike coming your way, though. Got one more.
Love you, man.
Love you. And
right.
thank you so much, man.
Yes,
thank you and the team
Thank
so
you.
much.
Let's go ride.
Oh, yeah. I mean, oh, it's a beautiful bike now.
Yeah.
Oh, Kevin. Lord have mercy. Beautiful work. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. It'll light you up.
I love it, man.